today I'm going to be doing the Naro Naro soda flavor one. I already did the grape one, so just check this out. Of course, it comes with 1, 2, and 3. I already went ahead and opened it since I'm using one hand to hold the camera and the other hand to mix the stuff. And of course, it comes with a spoon. And yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and I'll cut these. So I'll be back. Okay, so we're going to do package number 1. Put this to the side. And then it asks for 1 scoop of water, so we'll put that in. And I'll mix this and I'll be back. It smells like soda. Anyways, I'm going to put in package number 2. And I'll mix this and I'll see you back. I finished mixing it and it smells really good. So I'm going to put in the candies. And now I'm going to taste it. I already have some on the spoon. It tastes better than the grape one. See you guys in my next episode or video. Bye!